In August 2021, the Enforcement Directorate seized a luxurious sea-facing bungalow in Chennai, around 9 luxury cars and 82.5 lakh rupees in cash in connection with a 200 crore rupees money laundering case. This man, Sukesh Chandrasekhar, is the mastermind in that case. Sukesh is a con man and has duped several high-profile individuals including top celebrities. Bollywood actress Jacqueline Fernandez is one of them. Sukesh's lust for cars and his fantasy to lead a lavish, luxurious life made him to start duping people since the age of 17. Back in 2006, a 17-year-old Sukesh had confidently carried around with him a forged letter from the Bengaluru Police Commissioner, which said he was eligible to drive cars and bikes anywhere in Karnataka. In 2007, he pretended to be friends with the son of JTS leader and then Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy and allegedly duped a 76-year-old man of Rs 1.14 crores, promising to retrieve a plot from the custody of the Bangalore Development Authority. By 2009, Sukesh had been arrested multiple times and released on bail. In 2011, Sukesh was arrested in a case where he posed as a secretary to BJP leader B.S. Yediyurappa. In 2013, Sukesh and his wife Leena Maria Paul were arrested for allegedly duping a Chennai bank of Rs 19 crores. The husband-wife duo have been behind several such con episodes. In 2012, they were forced to leave Kochi after a textile group filed a cheating case against Sukesh as he had taken Rs 20 lakh from the company, promising to bring Katrina Kaif for a promotional event. From posing as a former Chief Minister's son, a Supreme Court judge and a PMO official, to conning actresses, Sukesh has exploited every opportunity to live his dream. In 2017, Chandrasekhar was arrested by the Delhi police in an alleged Rs 50 crore bribery deal when he attempted to give money to the Election Commission to get the AIADMK 2 leaves symbol for a faction of AIDMK led by VK Sashikala and TTV Dinakaran before the RK Nagar by-election. But that did not stop him from pulling off his biggest con operation ever. In 2021, Aditi Singh, wife of former Fortis Healthcare promoter Shivender Singh, lodged a complaint with the Delhi police alleging that she was cheated of Rs 200 crores by a man who posed as a law secretary and said he would help with her husband's cases if she contributed to the party fund. Sukesh, who was pinned as the main accused, was arrested from inside Delhi's Rohini jail where he was already lodged. Now, what if such a con man can be compared to the likes of Natwarlal, Charles Ponzi and Frank William Abagnale himself gets conned? In a letter to Delhi's LG Vinay Kumar Saxena, Sukesh alleged that he had paid Rs 10 crores to the now arrested AAP minister Satyendra Jain as protection money to survive in jail. Satyendra Jain reportedly held the portfolio of jail ministry at that time. He also alleged that Aam Aadmi Party had extorted a sum of Rs 50 crores for key party positions in South India and a Rajya Sabha seat. He said that after he was lodged in Tihar jail in 2017, he was visited multiple times by Satyendra Jain, who asked him if he had told the probe officers anything about his contribution to the Aam Aadmi Party. He also claimed to have paid Rs 12.5 crores to senior police officer Sandeep Goel, Director General Prisons, who was transferred out of that post days after Sukesh came out with these allegations. Reacting to this episode, Kejriwal had implied that Sukesh was a thug and his allegations were a distraction from the Morbi bridge collapse. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia called the allegations against Kejriwal absurd and targeted the BJP for making a deal with Sukesh. However, Sukesh has retorted back saying, "If I was the country's biggest thug, then why during 2016, when I personally delivered Rs 50 crores to Mr. Satyendra Jain in the presence of Mr. Kailash Galot in his farm at Asola, and thereafter the same evening, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and Mr. Jain had visited me for dinner at Hayat Bhikaji Kama Place where I was staying." He has also accused Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal for forcing him to bring 20 to 30 people to contribute Rs 500 crores towards the party in exchange for seats. In another letter, he revealed that Satyendra Jain was asking him to give funds during the Punjab and Goa polls. Sukesh warned Kejriwal not to provoke him and make things dirty, as it would force him to reveal other personal things. It must be noted that AAP Minister Satyendra Jain was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate for alleged money laundering. Raids by the ED resulted in the seizure of Rs 2.85 crores in cash and 133 gold coins weighing around 1.8 kgs in total. The ED case is based on the CBI probe in which Jain was booked under the Prevention of Corruption Act. In 2017, the CBI registered a case against Satyendra Jain on allegations that companies linked to him and his family members allegedly laundered over Rs 11.78 crore from 2010 to 2012 and 4.63 crore in 2015 to 16 when he was already a minister in the Delhi government. Jain is also facing a case in the Delhi High Court for indulging in poll malpractices. Ironically, Jain was part of the Anna Hazare-led anti-corruption movement. Manish Sisodia, the right-hand man of Kejriwal, and Satyendra Jain have allegedly scammed to the tune of 2,000 crores in the construction of school buildings in Delhi. Manish Sisodia has also been accused of providing undue benefits to those holding liquor licenses in return for money that was used by the Aam Aadmi Party in the Punjab Assembly polls. Another AAP minister named by Sukesh, Kailash Galot, had evaded tax worth Rs 120 crore according to the Income Tax Department. 16 properties linked to him were raided, which revealed that office boys, peons and employees had been extended loans and were holding equity worth 70 crores in several shell companies. All these instances brings us to the question, are all these instances connected? We don't know, but all we know is that this is a developing story and Sukesh could spill more beans in the coming days. But the thought lingering in the minds of the people is this: a party that came to power on an anti-corruption plank today might be outdoing all other political parties in corruption and criminality.